Okay, in this video we're checking out the drone drop for April 2019. Looks like they've changed the design of their box a little bit for this month, and also depending on when you're watching this video, this might be kind of outdated. I'm running a bit behind on my video releases, so bear with me on those. But yeah, let's go take a look at what's in this month's box. Okay, so we got a set of stickers as usual, drone drop stickers, as well as some Kebab FPV stickers. Rugi's famous hot and fresh. Yeah, I always wondered what was up with this cartoon. It looks like a cow. Does anyone know the background story in this one? Let me know some if you guys know in the comments below. And let's see what else we got here. We got looks like a USB cable. It's just a standard micro USB. Not sure how long it is. Probably about 6 feet, and it's got the braided cord. So if you need a high quality USB cable, definitely this one should work pretty good for you. And I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so this looks like a smoke stopper, I think, and it looks like it says a fuse here, which ought to be replaceable, I think. Yeah, so the fuse does come out and is replaceable. And it looks like there's a 2 on there, so I'm thinking what, a maximum of 2 amps. So I'm assuming that that's probably going to blow if you have a short in your system and it's going to draw more than 2 amps. Of course, that will save your copter, but then of course you'll have to replace this fuse. Thinking the light bulb system probably might be better. I have no idea who makes this. Never seen this before, but yeah, it ought to do the job if you want to save your copter, but then yeah, obviously you'll have to replace that fuse. Okay, so we got 3 sets of the Kebab FPV Hurricane props here. This is the 5146-6, 3-bladed in the smoke gray color. I guess it's the Kebab FPV edition with his sticker inside. So you get 3 sets of props here. This is normal for a drone drop. You get 3 sets of whatever prop of the month that is, and this is the prop of the month. This from JumpFan. And here's a closer look at the prop. Now, Bob says this is one of his favorite props, and he gives it high praise, and obviously he put his name to it, so you must definitely like it. And just a good look at the way the scoop is. It's not super thick, so it doesn't seem like it's going to be a lot of amp draw on this one, but it's a fair amount of pitch. Thinking this is probably a good prop for 2306 or 2208, 2207 type of motor. Fairly stiff, but not too stiff. Yeah, looks like a good prop. I'm looking forward to using these. We'll see. You'll probably see these in future videos. Okay, the last thing in here, it looks like it's a frame of some sorts, and no labeling as to what this is called. Okay, so considering the stickers and the props that are in this, I'm pretty sure this is one of Kebab FPV's frames. The Glide, I think. Actually, I'm not that familiar with the names of his frames. Actually, I think I have one of his older frames, but this one looks pretty nice. I think you got some countersunk screws there on the top plate, in the back at least. And pretty thick arms. This is going to be a top-mounted battery acro type of frame. Here's the bottom plate. Got your standoffs. I think these are 25 millimeters. And you get your sandwich plate here, and that goes on the very bottom. And these are your hardware. Screws, nuts, everything to get the frame together. And it looks like you have 30 by 30 and also 20 by 20 mounting holes in this frame. Yeah, I think I probably will do a build on this one later. I would like to try. I've actually been wanting to try this frame out for a freestyle build, and now I guess I'll have that chance to put that together, but I'm not sure when. I got a lot of stuff in my queue right now. But I think that's going to do it for this month's drone drop unboxing. This is, I guess, the Kebab FPV edition of the drone drop. And yeah, you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.